Mary's Pizza has been a staple in Lisbon for 59 years. Its thick, flavorful pizza is one of the town's favorites, but the owner of Mary's Pizza is tonight in the hospital with the coronavirus after his father died from the coronavirus. Today I talked with the owner's son about how the family is coping. 11 years ago, I did a story on Mary's Pizza in Lisbon and interviewed owner Steve Garofalo.
They'll start out over here, come all the way around, they'll come down to this deck, go.
Tonight, Mary's Pizza is closed because the 55-year-old Garofalo is at St. Elizabeth Hospital in Youngstown being weaned off a ventilator, recovering from the coronavirus.
We've gotten great news the past 2-3 days, and he's starting to recover. So, I mean, we've been elated, to say the least.
But the Garofalo family is also mourning the loss of 85-year-old Lorenzo Garofalo, Steve's father, who died March 23rd from the coronavirus. The family does not think the father gave it to the son because they've had no contact in the last month. The fact they both got it was merely coincidence.
The health department immediately quarantined us, and that's why we had to shut down the business for the meantime. We're all doing well. We've been following the health department's protocol.
I'm going to take some of this.
With no way of visiting Steve in the hospital, his nurses at St. Elizabeth Youngstown are doing what they can to keep the family updated on his condition.
I mean, the nurses have been, and the doctor's staff have been stellar. And they call us with updates. The nurse he has, her name's Lydia. I mean, God bless her heart. She's done everything so well to take care of my dad. They're trying to limit the amount of access they have into the room, so when she goes in and does something, they let her, she'll call us so we can talk to Dad.
Nathan Garofalo, who you heard just there, says no one else in the family has shown any signs of the coronavirus symptoms. They are all fine. He says it has been a very stressful time for the family, but they are staying positive.